morning, class 11th. Today we are going to do problems based on compound and multiple angles. The first problem is if alpha and beta are acute angles, if they are going to be acute angles, it's already mentioned they are going to be in the first quadrant. Please understand, we had said that add sugar to coffee, and keep that in mind every time. All the angles, all the trigonometric ratios in the first quadrant are positive. In second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive, the rest are negative. In the third quadrant tan and cot are positive, the rest are negative. In the fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive and the remaining are negative. Now he has given you alpha beta are acute angles. If they are acute angles, they are going to fall in the first quadrant, and if they are going to fall in first quadrant, they all are going to be positive. All trigonometric ratios are going to be positive. He says sine alpha is 3 upon 5, sine beta is 8 upon 17. He wants us to calculate number 1, sine alpha plus minus beta. That means once he wants you to take sine alpha plus beta and then negative. So first one is sine alpha plus beta. What is sine alpha plus beta? Sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. That's the formula you read about sine A plus B when we discussed. Sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Instead of A and B, he has taken alpha and beta. So sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. Remember, in sine A plus B, the terms are sine cos, cos sine, and whatever is the sign here, like plus, then plus comes in between. Now let us see what is given to us. We have got sine alpha, we have got sine beta. We don't have cos alpha and cos beta, so we have to calculate the value of cos alpha and cos beta. How can we calculate the value of cos alpha, cos beta? There are two ways. By making a simple right angle triangle. Suppose this is alpha. Sine alpha is 3 upon 5. Sine alpha is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. We will calculate the third side, 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9, which will be 16, which will give me 4. So I can calculate from here, it is sine alpha is there, so I can calculate cos alpha. Cos alpha will come out to be base upon hypotenuse, 4 upon 5. Similarly, another right angle triangle for beta I can make, beta, and it is given that sine beta is 8 upon 17. Sine beta is 8 upon 17, this is 8, this is 17. 17 square is 289, 8 square is 64. You subtract, you will get 225. It will come out to be 15 square root of that. These are trigonometric triplets, 3, 4, 5, 8, 15, 17. You should remember that in class 11. Now we have got this, so we can calculate the value of cos beta. What is cos beta? Cos beta will be base upon hypotenuse, 15 upon 17. Once we've got these values, we can simply substitute these values in these expressions. Like sine alpha is 3 upon 5, cos beta is 15 upon 17, plus cos alpha is 4 upon 5, and sine beta is given to be 8 upon 17. In this, the denominator is same, that is 17 5s are 85, or you can write it 5 into 17. If finally somewhere we can cancel, we will see if it is possible to cancel. 15 3s are 45 plus 4 8s are 32. That will come out to be how much? 5 plus 2 7, 4 3 7 upon, no, it cannot cancel, 5 cannot cancel 77, neither 17, so we'll write it 85. So this value is 77 upon 85. Now if I have to calculate second value, sine alpha minus beta, then the only difference will come sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. The values are same except minus has come. So it will actually, I am not going to write all this. I am going to directly come here. It will come 45 minus 32 upon 85. Because everything else will remain same except the difference, and instead of addition of in the numerator it will come the difference. What is the difference? 5 to 3, 13. 13 upon 85. So your value of sine alpha minus beta will be 13 upon 85. Now let us see the third question, cos alpha plus beta. Cos alpha plus beta, when sine alpha plus beta, sine alpha minus beta has sine cos, cos sine, sine cos, cos sine, and if it is plus, it is plus in between, if it is minus in between. But when we are talking of cos alpha plus beta, when we are talking of cos alpha plus cos beta, we get cos C, cos A, cos B, cos alpha, cos beta. Both the terms of cos you will get. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B, and minus will come. Sin alpha, sin beta. One thing is cos, sin. Number two, instead of plus it will come minus. Here sin cos, sin cos, sin. But the only thing is plus, minus. Here cos, sin will come, and the signs will change from plus to minus. Now let us see what is the value of cos alpha is 4 upon 5. Cos beta is 15 upon 17 minus sin alpha was 3 upon 5 and sin beta was 8 upon 17. Again the denominator will come out to be 85. The denominator will come out to be 85. 14 5s are 15 4s are 60 minus 3 8s are 24. So you will get 6 and 36. 36 upon 85. It will remain 36 upon 85 only. It will remain 36 upon 85 because cos alpha plus beta is this much only. Now let us see cos alpha minus beta. Let us see cos alpha minus cos beta, the fourth one. Cos alpha minus beta will be cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, minus change it to plus, and cos term will come, sin term will come. Now cos alpha is 4 upon 5, 15 upon 17, and plus it will come 3 upon 5 and 8 upon 17. So again it will become 60 plus 24 upon 85. 84 upon 85. It will become 84 upon 85. That is cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha minus beta becomes 84 upon 85. Cos alpha plus beta was 36 upon 85. Now let us see the next part of this question. 10 alpha plus beta, 10 alpha minus beta. Ten alpha plus beta is 10 alpha plus 10 beta minus 1 minus 10 alpha 10 beta. This is the formula for 10 alpha plus beta. 10 alpha plus beta is 10 alpha plus 10 beta upon 1 minus 10 alpha 10 beta. Now what do we see here? We have if you divide the value of sin alpha by cos alpha, you will get 10 alpha. If you divide the value of sin beta by cos beta, you will get the value of directly you can calculate here also. 10 alpha will come out to be how much here? Perpendicular upon base 3 upon 4, and 10 beta will be perpendicular upon base 8 upon 15. From these two triangles you can get the value of 10 alpha and 10 beta. Okay, let us put the value of 10 alpha plus 10 beta. Here it is 3 upon 4 plus 8 upon 15 upon 1 minus 3 upon 4 into 8 upon 15. What will you get? LCM will be 60 here. LCM will be 60 here also. 15 3s are 45. 4 into 32. 60 minus 24. 15 4s are 60 will come here. 60 will cancel from both the denominators. 45 plus 32 will be 527, 437. And it will come out to be how much? 60 minus 20 would have been 40. And 40 minus 4, 36. It will come out to be 36. 10, 4, 6 and 5 to 3. We cannot cancel it also. 77 upon 36, we can't cancel anything. Now 6th one is 10 alpha minus beta. 10 alpha minus beta means 10 alpha minus 10 beta upon 1 plus 10 alpha 10 beta. Only thing is signs will change here. Like it will become 45 minus 32 here. And it will become 60 plus 24. 60 will cancel, the values will be the same, except here it was plus, it has become minus, here it was minus, it has become plus. So what will we get? 45 minus 32, 12 and 84. You get 13. You get 13. 5 minus 2, 3 and 4 minus 3 is 1. And 60, 84, you cannot cancel anything, so it will remain 13 upon 84. So you were able to calculate sine alpha plus beta, sine alpha minus beta, cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha minus beta, 10 alpha plus beta, 10 alpha minus beta. The purpose of this question is so that you can practice the formulas. The more you practice, the more chances of remembering the formulas will be more for you, and that is why practice is very important. Also, whether even sometime the minus sign will be here, don't worry about the minus sign. Make a right angle triangle, calculate the values, and then we will allot the values to different trigonometric ratios depending upon which quadrant are they falling. Are they falling in the first quadrant? If they are falling in the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. If they are falling in second quadrant, then only sine and cosec will be positive, the remaining 4 will be negative. And if they are falling in the third quadrant, then only tan theta and cot theta will be positive, the rest will be negative. And if they are falling in the fourth quadrant, then cos and sec will be positive, the remaining will be negative. So it is very easy for you to remember. And once you start doing it, that you don't have to write add sugar to coffee. I write every time so that you remember them. Okay. Now let's see the next question in the same series. 1011a, 107a, 104a is equal to 1011a minus 107a minus 104a. We have to prove this. Prove 1011a, 107a, 104a. All are multiplied. But on the right hand side we have 1011a minus 107a minus 104a. Now we will start with 1011a will be equal to 107a plus 4a. 1011a is 107a plus 4a. So 1011a, and let us find out 10a plus b. What is the formula for 10a plus b is 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a, that is 107a and 10 4a. 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. Instead of 10a I have 10 7a, instead of b I have 4a. So 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. Now let us cross multiply. Let us cross multiply. It will become 10 11a into 1 minus 10 7a 10 4a is equal to 10 7a plus 10 4a. When I multiply these two, I'll get 10 11a minus 10 11a 10 7a 10 4a will be equal to 10 7a plus 10 4a. Now please understand, what do I want to get? 10 11a into 10 7a into 10 4a, which I already have. 10 11a 10 7a 10 4a I already have. And here I have 10 11a minus 10 7a minus 10 4a. So if I bring this to this side and take this to that side, it will become 10 11a minus 10 7a minus 10 4a will be equal to 10 11a 10 7a and 10 4a. So I have got 10 11a into 10 7a into 10 4a. I have got 10 11a into 10 7a into 10 4a is equal to 10 11a minus 10 7a minus 10 4a. I can interchange the sides to just put it in the same way as it is. It will be 10 11a 10 7a 10 4a will be equal to 10 11a minus 10 7a minus 10 4a. So you get what you wanted. You must leave the answer in the desired form. You must leave the answer in the desired form. Like on the left hand side I have 10 11a into 10 7a into 10 4a, and on the right side I have 10 11a minus 10 7a minus 10 4a. So we should try and leave the answer in the desired form. How we started? 10 11a was 11a can be expressed in terms of 7a as addition of 7 and 4. 7a plus 4a, because your answers are in terms of 7, 4 and 11. So 10 11a is 10 7a plus 4a. Then we applied the formula of 10a plus b, 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. When we cross multiply 10 11a into 1 minus 10 7a 10 4a is equal to 10 7a plus 10 4a. Then we open out the bracket and we try and manipulate. As we said in the very beginning that trigonometry is manipulation. It is to manipulate things in the desired form. We have been able to achieve what we wanted to achieve. Now let us see the next question. The next question is cos 11 plus 7 sin 11 upon cos 11 minus sin 11 is equal to 1056. Is equal to 1056. 1056 can be written as 1045 degree plus 11 degree. Again I want to get 11. I want to get 11. So what do I do? 45 plus 11, because 1045 is 1. 1045 is 1. So what do I do? 1056 I write 1045 plus 1011. Then 10a plus b. Whatever 10a plus b is, let us apply the formula of 10a plus b, which is 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. 10a plus 10b, 1 minus 10a 10b What is the value of 1045? 1045 is 1. So 1 minus 1011 upon 1 minus, again 1045 is 1, so 1011. But I want the answer in terms of sine and cos. So I should change 10 in terms of sine and cos. It will become 1 plus sine 11 upon cos 11. 1 minus sine 11 and cos 11. Take LCM. Here if I take cos LCM, cos 11, so I'll get cos 11 plus sine 11. In the denominator, I'll have again cos as the LCM, and I will get cos 11 minus sine 11. This cos 11 will cancel. What will you get the final answer? Cos 11 plus sine 11 upon cos 11 minus sine 11. We get cos 11 degree plus sine 11 degree upon cos 11 degree minus sine 11 degree is equal to 1056. That is what you wanted. 1056. You reverse the order, bring left hand side to right hand side, right hand side to left hand side. You will be able to get cos 11 plus sine 11 upon cos 11 minus sine 11 will be equal to 1056. Okay. Let's look into the next problem. Sine alpha plus beta is 4 upon 5. Cos alpha minus beta is 12 upon 13. He says alpha is greater than 0 but less than pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45. So similarly beta is between 0 and pi by 4, that it is greater than 0 and less than pi by 4. Find tan 2 alpha. He wants us to find tan 2 alpha. Now alpha plus beta will always be positive because both are positive, so tan alpha plus beta will be always positive. But alpha minus beta can be positive as well as negative depending upon the value of beta. If beta is less than alpha, it will be positive. If beta is more than alpha, then it will be negative. So the 10 values, if alpha minus beta can be positive and negative, that means tan alpha plus beta can be positive also, tan alpha minus beta can be negative also. Now we have sine alpha plus beta is 4 upon 5. I told you make always a right angle triangle, alpha plus beta 4 upon 5. The third side we calculated as 3. I can calculate tan alpha plus beta is 4 upon 3. Cos alpha minus beta is 12 upon 13. Based upon hypotenuse I calculated the third side perpendicular is 5. And tan alpha minus beta will be plus minus 5 upon 12. I'll take both signs. Once I will take positive, once I will take negative. Now let us see that I have to calculate tan 2 alpha. Tan 2 alpha can be written as tan alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. If you add these two, alpha plus alpha minus beta, beta will cancel, you will get alpha plus alpha as 2 beta. So 2 alpha. So tan alpha, this is tan alpha, this is beta. So it will become tan alpha plus tan beta. Tan alpha plus beta plus tan alpha minus beta upon 1 minus tan alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta. We have already calculated the value of tan alpha plus beta, tan alpha minus beta. Tan alpha plus beta in every time will be positive, but tan alpha minus beta can be positive and negative both. So we will calculate both the cases. First I am taking tan alpha minus beta to be positive. Taking tan alpha minus beta as 5 upon 12. Plus 5 upon 12. I am taking plus 5 upon 12. Tan alpha plus beta is how much? 4 upon 3. So 4 upon 3 plus 5 upon 12 upon 1 minus 4 upon 3 and 5 upon 12. What will I get? LCM will be same, 36 here, 36 here. 12 fours are 48, my plus 15, 48, no, here it will be 36, 36 minus 20. So 48 plus 36, 36 will cancel, you will get 48 plus 15, 63 upon 36 minus 20, 16. So 10 2 alpha is equal to 63 upon 16. 10 2 alpha is 63 upon 16 when I have taken 10 alpha minus beta as 5 upon 12. Now taking 10 alpha minus beta as minus 5 upon 12. If I take it to be minus 5 upon 12, what will happen is it will become minus here, it will become plus here. 10 2 alpha will become what? Because it was minus here, it will become, it was plus here, it will become minus. So 48 minus 15 it will become, and here it was minus, it will become plus. Why? Minus into minus will become plus. So it will be 36 plus 20. 48 minus 15 is 333, and 36 plus 20 is 56. This is 10 2 alpha when we have taken 10 alpha minus beta is positive 5 upon 12. 10 2 alpha will have value 33 upon 56 when 10 alpha minus beta is minus 5 upon 12. Thank you.